Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. I'm back with another video. In this particular video we will discuss the PYQs of KCET and COMEDK on applications of derivative. That is part 3. Up to question number 50. Yeah, up to 53 we have done in first two parts. So let us start with question number 52. Before I start, guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all our classes. And if you've already subscribed at the end of this session, please do like and share my video, guys. Let us start. Question number 54. I need to find the intervals where the function is decreasing. Right, f dash of x is equal to differentiation of x is 1, so this is 1 by 2. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This is f dash of x. I'll equate this to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square is 0. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by x square. Okay, and if I cross multiply, I'll get x square is equal to 4. Okay, and x is equal to plus minus 2. That is, this is minus infinity to plus infinity. This is minus infinity to plus infinity. Roots in increasing order as minus 2 and plus 2. Right, so this is plus, minus, and plus. So it decreases in the minus part, decreases in minus 2 and plus 2. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to next question. Then dy by dx, x power y is equal to log x. I should find out dy by dx at the point where the curve cuts the x-axis. See, whenever the curve crosses x-axis or cuts x-axis, right? If the curve cuts x-axis, obviously y is equal to 0, right? Now if I put y is equal to 0 in equation 1, you get x power 0 is equal to log x. And it is understood it is the base e. Now this is log x to the base e. X power 0 is 1. X is equal to e power 1. So x is equal to e. X is equal to e power 1. So x is equal to e. E power 1, x should be equal to e. The point is e comma 0. Okay, now if I take log on both the sides, now if I want to differentiate this, okay, I take log on both the sides, you get log of x to the power of y is equal to log of log x, right? Log m power n is n log m, so you get y log x is equal to log of log x. Now if I differentiate, first function is y, log x is 1 by x, plus second function is log x, and differentiation of y is dy by dx, right, is equal to log of log x is 1 by log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay, now directly if I put x is equal to e and y is equal to 0 at the point e comma 0, you will get 0 plus log e into dy by dx is equal to 1 by log e into 1 by e. Right, log e is 1, right? So you get dy by dx is equal to 1 upon e. Alright, this is actually 0 upon e, which is equal to 0. If you substitute here, y is equal to 0, you get 0 upon e. This will be anywhere 0 log e is 1. You get dy by dx is equal to 1 by e. Let's move to the next question. Question number 56. The perimeter of a sector of a circle is P. COMEDK problem. So this will be the sector, area bounded by the two radii. Length of an arc is equal to L is equal to R into theta. So according to the question, the perimeter of a sector of a circle is P. That is R plus R into theta plus R. Perimeter is equal to small p. Okay, so 2R plus R into theta is equal to P. I should find the area of the sector is the area of the sector is maximum when its radius is what? Right. So area maximum, what will be its radius? R into theta is equal to P minus 2R. Theta is equal to P minus 2R divided by R. Right. Now area of a sector is equal to half R square into theta. If I substitute area is equal to half of R square, theta will be equal to P minus 2R divided by R. This R will cancel with the square. Now this becomes, if I multiply R inside, area is equal to half of P into R minus 2R square. Right. So one R cancels with the square. This is R square. R will cancel with the square. Multiply R inside, you get PR minus 2R square. Now maxima minima, if I use if I differentiate dA by dr is equal to 1 by 2, differentiation of PR is P, differentiation of 2R square is 4R. Now if I equate this to 0, dA by dr for maximum minima first derivative should be 0. P minus 4R is equal to 0. P by 4 is equal to R. Right. If you want to check once again, d square A by dx square, differentiate once again. This is minus 1 upon 2, 0 minus 4, which is less than 0. So area is maximum. Area is maximum at R is equal to P by 4 when the radius is equal to P by 4. Answer is first option E. Right. Let's move to the next question. Question number 57. What is maximum value of f of x is equal to log x by x? If I differentiate, f dash of x is equal to u by v. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, that is x square. This will cancel. This is f dash of x. Right. Maxima minima first derivative should be 0. That is f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 0. That is 1 minus log x divided by x square should be 0. If I cross multiply, you get 1 minus log x is equal to 0. That is 1 is equal to log x to the base e. Now this x is equal to e power 1, x is equal to e. Now f maximum is equal to f of e, which is equal to log e divided by e, which is equal to 1 upon e. Answer is option B. Right. Let's move to the next question. Question number 58. The equation of the tangent to the curve x power n plus y power n is equal to 2a power n. See, actually no need to do the problem. Suppose you have a curve, okay, at the point a comma a, curve is x power n plus y power n is equal to 2a power n. I take this point a comma a, substitute in the options. A plus a is equal if I substitute in the first option, this a plus a is equal to a is not possible. Again, this is a plus a is equal to 2a. This is possible. A plus a is equal to a power n. This is not possible. Okay, a plus a is equal to a power n. This is also not possible. Answer is option B only. Take the point a comma a, just substitute in the options. Only B will satisfy. Alright, question number 59. The rate of decrease of the first function is twice the rate of decrease of x, then what should be the value of x? See, I'll take this as y. I'll take y is equal to x square by 2 minus 2x plus 5. Okay, and then I'll take z is equal to x. dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 2x is 2, and dz by dx is equal to 1. This will cancel. Okay, now according to the question, rate of decrease of first function is twice the rate of decrease of second function. This is given. Alright, now rate of decrease of the first is x minus 2 is equal to 2 times dz by dx is 1. From this you get x is equal to 4. That is last option D. Question number 59. Alright, let's move to next question. A point on the curve at which the tangent to the curve is vertical. Tangent's vertical means dy by dx should be infinity, right? This is x, this is y, this is 0. Tangent's vertical means dy by dx should be equal to infinity. That is, in other words, dx by dy should be equal to 0. Right, now if I differentiate the first equation, if I differentiate this, you get 6y square into dy by dx is equal to plus differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of y is dy by dx. Alright, now this is 2x is equal to 12, shift on the right side, minus 6y square into dy by dx. 2x divided by 12 minus 6y square is equal to dy by dx. This is dy by dx. Now if I reverse this, dx by dy will be equal to 12 minus 6y square upon 2x. This is 12 minus 6y square upon 2x is equal to 0. You understand, guys? Now cross multiply. You get 12 minus 6y square is 0. That is 12 is equal to 6y square. Y square is equal to 2. Y is equal to plus minus root 2. So there's only one option. No need to find x and no waste your time. There's only one value of y options. There's only one value, one option where y is equal to root 2. It should be B only. You substitute y equal to root 2 in equation 1. You will get x is equal to 4th root of 128. Alright, let's move to next question. The shortest distance from the point 3, 0 to the parabola y equal to x square. Okay, y equal to x square, that is x square is equal to y is an upward parabola. I'm supposed to find the shortest distance of the point 3, 0. This point is 3, 0 will be on x-axis. Let's say this is q. This is x, y. This parabola will be y is equal to x square. Now if I take the shortest distance of PQ is equal to, if I use the distance formula, root of x minus 3 the whole square and then plus y square. Root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y is equal to x square, right? Y square is equal to x power 4. This is equal to root of fx. Okay, if f is maximum, then pq is maximum. If f is minimum, then pq is minimum. Fx is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus x power 4. Now we'll use maximum minimum for this. If I differentiate once, f dash of x is equal to 2 into x minus 3, right? Differentiation of x power 4 is 4x cube. After finding the first derivative, I'll equate to 0. you will get 2 into x minus 3 this is 2 into x minus 3 plus 4x cube is equal to 0. Right? Now if I divide by 2 or take 2 common, if I divide by 2 you get x minus 3 plus 2x cube is equal to 0. That is, you get 2x cube plus x minus 3 equal to 0. It's a cubic equation, right? Now by inspection, this is by inspection, x is equal to 1 is the root. Because if you put x is equal to 1, it will satisfy. That is, you get 2 plus 1 minus 3 equal to 0. By inspection, x is equal to 1 is the root. If I substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1, you will get y is equal to 1. So point P is 3, 0 and point Q is 1, 1. That is x, y. This fellow is 1, 1. Now PQ is equal to root of, if you want to find double derivative f double will be more than 0. Obviously it is minimum. 3 minus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 1 the whole square. It will be root of 4 plus 1, which is equal to root 5. Right, so answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. If the curves intersect perpendicular, then what should be the value of k? See, two curves cut at right angles. If the tangents at the point of intersection are right angle 90 degree, m1 m2 should be equal to minus 1. That is, this is equal to 90 degree. Two curves cut at right angles, then m1 m2 should be equal to minus 1. Okay, now if I take you call equation 1 and call this is equation 2. If I differentiate the first curve, 2 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. 2 and 2 cancels. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by y. This is m1. If I differentiate the second curve, first function is x, differentiation of y is dy by dx, plus second function is y, and differentiation of k is 0. X into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. And from this, x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. This is equal to m2. Alright, now two curves cut at right angles, right? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. 1 by y into minus 1 by y by x. This is minus y by x is equal to minus 1. Alright, now from this 1 by x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. If I put x is equal to 1 in equation 1, you will get y square is equal to 2. Alright, then what should be the value of k square? If I substitute in equation 2, from equation 2, you have 2xy is equal to k square, k, right? If I square both sides, you get 4x square y square is equal to k square. Okay, this is equal to 4 times x is 1, y square is 2 is equal to k square. So you get k square is equal to 8. Answer is option B. Question number 62. Right answer is B. The maximum value of log x by x. Right, let's use maxima minima. I am going to take this as fx. F dash of x is equal to I'll use u by v. This is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. F dash of x is equal to 1 minus log x divided by x square. This is f dash of x. Right, after finding the first derivative, I'll equate to 0. F dash of x is equal to 0. 1 minus log x by x square is equal to 0. Okay, and from this you get 1 is equal to 1 minus log x to the base c is equal to 0. 1 is equal to log x. X is equal to e power 1. X is equal to e. If you want to find f double will be less than 0. So f maximum is equal to f of e, which is equal to log e to the base c divided by e, which is equal to 1 upon e. Answer is option E. Okay, question number 65. 64. The sides of a cube is increased by 5%. I guess this is 2020 question. Delta x is equal to 5% of x. Okay, now I'm supposed to find the surface area of cube is increased by. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6x square, right? dA by dx is equal to 12x. Now delta A is equal to dA by dx into delta x. Now delta A is equal to dA by dx is 12x and delta x is equal to 5% of x is equal to 60% of x square. So this is increased by 60%. Alright, yes Gaurav, right. Question number 65. The slant height of a fixed cone. The slant height of a cone is fixed at 7 centimeters. Suppose I take a cone. Okay, this is slant height L. This will be height and radius. Slant height of a cone is 7 centimeter. Okay, so from this I'll get L square is equal to R square plus H square, right? L is equal to 7, so 49 is equal to R square plus H square. Alright, now if the rate of increase of its height is 0.3 centimeter per second, rate of change of height is equal to dh by dt is 0.3 centimeter per second. That is given in the question. Then rate of increase of its volume, I should find out dv by dt when the height is 4 centimeter. Alright, so I want a result completely in terms of h, right? Volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square into h. This is 1 by 3 pi r square into h. From this I can write 49 minus h square is equal to r square, right? V is equal to 1 by 1 by 3 pi r square is equal to 49 minus h square into h. Right, now if I multiply this v is equal to 1 by 3 into pi. Right, so this is equal to 49 h minus h cube. I got v in terms of h. Now this is dv by dt is equal to 1 by 3 into pi. This is 49, differentiation of h is dh by dt. Then this is 3h square into dh by dt. 1 upon 3 into pi, 49 minus 3h square. I'm going to take dh by dt common. Okay, now dh dv by dt when height is equal to 4 centimeter is 1 by 3 into pi. This is 49 minus 3 into 4 square is 16. dh by dt is 0.3, that is 3 by 10. This will cancel. You get pi into 49 minus 48 into 1 by 10. This is anyways 1. You will get pi by 10. Volume, right? cc per second, centimeter cube per second. Last option D. Right. So it is a COMEDK question, guys. Question on conic sections. Questions on a rate measure. All right. Good question. Question number 66. S square is equal to AT square plus 2BT plus C. You call equation 1. I need to find acceleration is proportional to what? If I differentiate, you get 2s into ds by dt. Differentiation of AT square is 2AT. Differentiation of BT square is 2BT is 2B. Now if I take 2 common and cancel, rate of change of displacement is velocity, right? So this is 2s into velocity v is equal to, take 2 common, you get AT plus B. 2 and 2 cancels. Velocity v is equal to AT plus B divided by s. Okay, now if I take suppose acceleration, this is v into u dash. Acceleration is dv by dt. V into, this is dv by dt. This is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Right, now if I substitute, now acceleration is equal to a into s minus of AT plus B. Okay, what is ds by dt? Well, rate of change of displacement is velocity. Velocity is AT plus B divided by s, and divided by, this is s square. If I cross multiply, you get a into s square minus of AT plus B the whole square. S square comes to denominator, you get s cube. So this is a into, if I substitute the value of s square, this is AT square plus 2BT plus C minus, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 2ab into t whole divided by s cube. Alright, now if I open the bracket, this becomes acceleration is equal to a square t square plus 2ab into t plus ac, right? Right, now open the bracket, you will get minus a square t square minus b square minus 2ab into t divided by s cube. This will cancel and cancel this as well. Now acceleration is equal to AC minus B square divided by S cube. That AC minus B square is again a constant only, right? So this is acceleration is proportional to 1 by S cube. So it is inversely proportional to cube of the displacement. Alright, answer is option D. Alright, let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 67. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. There's a similar question in NCERT. Okay, let's say this is AB is the ladder. This AB is the ladder. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. I'll take this as OA is equal to X and OB is equal to Y. Right, the bottom of the ladder, the foot of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meter per second. The rate of change of X with respect to time is equal to 2 meter per second. The speed at which the height on the wall is decreasing, obviously this Y will come down. I'm supposed to find out dy by dt when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. That is when X is equal to 4 meter. Right, now if I use Pythagoras theorem here, X square plus Y square is equal to 25. X is equal to 4 meter given. So 16 plus Y square is 25. Y square is 9. Y is equal to 3 meter. Right, now again X square plus Y square is equal to 25. If I differentiate with respect to t, differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt, and differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dt. 25 is a constant, it is 0. Right, now if I shift on the right side, this is 2y into dy by dt is equal to minus 2x into dx by dt. This will cancel. You will get dy by dt is equal to minus x by y into dx by dt. dy by dt when x is equal to 4 meter, that is 1 foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Obviously y is equal to 3 meter. We simplified and we found out here. This will be equal to minus 4 by 3 into dx by dt. Dx by dt is equal to 2, which is minus 8 by 3, right, meter per second. So this is minus 8 by 3, negative because y is decreasing, y is coming down. Okay, now question number 68. I'm supposed to find the angle between the curves. You call equation 1 and you call equation 2. We'll solve equations 1 and 2. From this I'll take y is equal to 2x square by a. Right, if I'm solving equations 1 and 2, solving equations 1 and 2, substitute in equation 1, y is equal to 2x square by a the whole square is equal to 4ax. This is equal to 4x to the power of 4 divided by a square. Four x power 4 divided by a square is equal to 4ax. This will cancel. If I cross multiply, x power 4 is equal to a cube into x. Right, x cannot be 0, so that's why this is cube. So x cube is equal to a cube, right? X cube is equal to a cube means x is equal to a. Right, if I substitute in equation 1, you will get y square is equal to 4a square. That is y is equal to 2a. This point is a comma 2a. Alright, now we will differentiate. Y square is equal to 4x. Differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Differentiation of 4ax is 4a. dy by dx is equal to 2a by y. So this is 2a upon y is equal to 2a. This is 1. This is m1. Alright, if I differentiate the second curve, y is equal to 2x square by a, right? If I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to 4x by a. Now dy by dx is equal to 4, x is equal to a divided by a, so this fellow is 4. This is m2, right? Angle of intersection between the two curves. Angle of intersection is tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Now tan is equal to modulus of m1 is 1 minus 4 divided by 1 plus 1 into 4. Mod of minus is plus. You get tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 5. Answer is option B. Alright, 68 is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 69. A spherical snowball is melting in such a way that volume is decreasing at the rate of 1 centimeter cube per minute. Rate of change of volume with respect to time is 1 centimeter cube per minute. Okay, negative because it is decreasing. The rate at which the diameter is decreasing, so I need to find the rate at which the diameter is decreasing, dr by dt. Okay, when the diameter is 10 centimeter. Diameter is 10 centimeter means radius should be equal to 5 centimeter. Right, now if I volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. COMEDK problem. If I differentiate dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into pi, differentiation of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. This will cancel. dv by dt is minus 1 is equal to 4 pi r square into dr by dt. Now dr by dt is equal to minus 1 divided by 4 pi r square. Okay, the rate at which the radius is decreasing. Now I want to I am supposed to find rate at which the diameter will decrease. So twice the radius, right? 2r is equal to multiply 2 here, 2 divided by 4 pi r square. Okay, so this is d by dt of 2r is equal to minus 1 by 2 pi r square. Now this is minus 1 by 2 pi okay, radius is 5, right? When the diameter is 10, radius is 5. So this is 5 square. This is minus 1 by 50 pi. Okay, so this is centimeter per minute. So it is decreasing at the rate of 1 by 50 pi. It won't be minus 1 by 50 pi. Negative means that it is decreasing, but it will decrease at the rate of 1 by 50 pi only. Alright, answer is option A. No, Gaurav, it should be A. Minus 1 by 50, negative sign will come, but it is decreasing at the rate of 1 by 50. Minus itself denotes that it is decreasing. Alright, let's move to the next question. Which of the following options are correct? See, I'll take the values. This is 5 and 9, right? Increasing order, minus infinity to plus infinity. So there will be certain cases where I need to redefine this. First case is x is less than 5. Next is between 5 and 9. And when it is more than 9. Any number less than 5. Okay, this will be negative. And this is also negative. You will get minus of x minus 5. Minus of x minus 9. Between 5 and 9, if I take 6, x minus 5 will be positive. X minus 9 will be negative. Okay, now if I take more than 9, let's say if I take 10, this will be positive, even this is positive. Now this is, if you open the bracket, this is minus 2x plus 4. X is less than 5. If you open the bracket, you get plus 4. 5 is less than or equal to x less than 9. This is 2x minus 13 when x is greater than or equal to 9. Alright, now if I differentiate, f dash of x is equal to minus 2, x is less than 5. This is 0 when 5 is less than or equal to x less than 9. This is 2 when x is more than 9. Okay, so obviously f dash of x is equal to 2, which is greater than 0 for all x belongs to 9 to infinity. So f is increasing in 9 to infinity. Answer is option C. Redefine the mod values, get the value of fx, then differentiate. Okay, question number 71. These are NCERT MCQs. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius. Area of a circle is pi r square, right? Circle is pi r square. Now dA by dr will be equal to 2 pi r. And when radius is 6, this is 2 pi into 6, which is equal to 12 pi. Right, answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of a product is given by rate of change of R with respect to X revenue will be equal to 6X. This is marginal revenue, MR. 6X plus 36. Now when X is equal to 15, this is 6 into 15 plus 36. So you get 90 plus 36 will be equal to 126. Last option D. Alright, so before I do this, guys, let me do 22, 23, 21, 22 questions, and then I'll do it. Alright, I'll go back this. Yeah, let me finish this 22 and 23 questions, and then I'll come back to those questions. Okay, this is the 2022 question number 88. Okay, a particle starts, this was asked in KCET 2022. A particle starts from the rest and its angular displacement in radians is given by theta is equal to t square by 20 plus t by 5. If the angular velocity at the end of t equal to 4 is k, what should be the value of 5k? Rate of change of displacement is velocity, that is, this is 2t by 20 plus 1 by 5. So v is equal to t by 10 plus 1 by 5. Now according to the question, angular velocity at the end of t equal to 4 is equal to k, that is equal to 4 by 10 plus 1 by 5 is equal to k. So this is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to k. K is equal to 3 by 5. If I cross multiply, 5k is equal to 3. Now the question is, what should be the value of 5k? 5k should be equal to plus 3. 2022 question. Even this is 2022. Okay, if the parabola y equal to alpha x square minus 6 alpha plus beta passes through the point 0 comma 2. If this is passes through 0 comma 2, I can write 2 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus beta. Beta is equal to plus 2. So this means that this is ruled out and this is ruled out. Okay, now tangent at 3 by 2 parallel to x-axis. Whenever the tangent is parallel to x-axis, slope should be 0, right? If the tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx should be 0. Right, now if I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to 2 alpha x minus 6. Dy by dx at x is equal to 3 by 2 according to the question is equal to 2 alpha into 3 by 2 minus 6. So this is the 3 alpha minus 6. Right, since the tangent is parallel to x-axis, dy by dx should be 0. At x is equal to 3 by 2, it is parallel to x-axis, this fellow should be 0. Now this becomes 3 alpha minus 6 is equal to 0, alpha is equal to 2. Alpha is 2, beta is 2. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. The function x square minus 2x is strictly decreasing in the interval. Even this is KCET 2022. Right, now if I differentiate, f dash of x is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 2x is 2. Alright, if I equate this to 0, now according to the question, f dash of x is strictly decreasing. F dash of x is less than 0, this is given. Now 2x minus 2 is less than 0, 2x is less than 2. So x is less than 1, x belongs to minus infinity comma 1, open interval. Answer is option A. Okay, question number 91. The maximum value of the slope of the curve. Okay, this is 2022 problem. If I differentiate dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square plus 6x minus plus 2. Alright, this is a slope. Now I should find maximum value of slope, right? Again, take this as fx. Now we'll use maximum minimum of this function. Now fx is equal to minus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Alright, now if I differentiate this, f dash of x is equal to differentiation of 3x square is 6x, differentiation of 6x is 6. If I equate this to 0, maximum minimum first derivative should be 0. Minus 6x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is x is equal to 1. Right, f double dash of x will be equal to minus 6. F double dash of 1 is equal to minus 6 less than 0. So this means that f is maximum at x is equal to 1. Okay, now f maximum is equal to f of 1, which is equal to minus 3 plus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. The coordinates of a point, again this is KCET 2022. The coordinates of a point on the curve root x plus root y is equal to 6 at the tangent which is equally inclined to the axis. See, no need to do the problem. I take the points and substitute. A doesn't satisfy in this curve. B, if I substitute root 9 plus root 9 is equal to 6, which is correct. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is true. Again, root 6 plus root 6 cannot be equal to root 6 is equal to 6. This is not possible. Even this is not possible. Answer is B. Within 30 seconds, you get the answer. Just take the option, substitute in the curve. Right. Question number 93. Even this is KCET 2022. The function is strictly decreasing or increasing in the interval I should find. F dash of x is equal to 12 into sine square x, and then chain rule, differentiation of sine x is cos x. Differentiation of sine square x is 12 sine x, sine x is cos x. Differentiation of 12x is 12, and then 12 sine x is 12 cos x. 100 is a constant 0. Okay, I'm going to take 12 cos x common. Sine square x minus sine x plus 1. Okay, see, actually sine square x minus sine x plus 1 is greater than 0 for all x. When is the quadratic equation positive? When b square minus 4ac should be negative. Only then the quadratic equation is always positive. Okay, a should be positive, quadratic equation should be b square minus 4ac, discriminant should be negative, then it is always positive. So this is sine square x minus sine x plus 1 is always positive. Left out is 12 cos x. So he says strictly increasing or decreasing. So this is decreasing in, actually cos x is decreasing. Okay, let me write here only. So this is always positive. Let's say this is positive. Now the sign of f dash of x will depend on cos x only. Now if cos x is negative, right, cos is decreasing according to the options. Cos is decreasing in pi by 2 comma pi. Second quadrant only cos will decrease. Answer should be equal to C only. Increasing in pi and 3 pi by 2, that is not possible because cos is positive and cos is negative in third quadrant. This is not possible. Decreasing in pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, not possible because it will increase in minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. Okay, and decreasing in 0 pi by 2, not possible because cos x is positive in first quadrant. Answer is option C only. Okay, now question number 94. Again, this was asked in KCET 2022. F dash of x is equal to differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here I'll use u by v. V into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Okay, so this is 1 by 1 plus x minus this is 4 plus 2x minus 2x divided by 2 plus x the whole square. This will cancel. I'm going to take the LCM as 2 plus x the whole square into 1 plus x. Okay, if I cross multiply 2 plus x the whole square minus of 4 plus x, a square plus b square plus 2ab is 4x minus 4x by 2 plus x the whole square into 1 plus x. This will cancel this as well. You get x square divided by 2 plus x the whole square into 1 plus x. Right, now I am supposed to find the intervals where the function is increasing. Okay, now f dash of x is greater than 0, right? X square is always positive, 2 plus x the whole square is also positive. So this means that x square divided by 2 plus x the whole square into 1 plus x should be positive. Or I can directly tell that this is positive. This is positive if 1 plus x is positive. That is x is greater than minus 1. That is x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity. Answer is option B. Alright, so I'll stop here, guys. I'll come up with more videos on calculus. That is, I'll start with indefinite, definite, and then I'll go to differential equation, area, and then differential equation. Alright, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, Please do share, like and share my video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining.